So market did give us a huge sell, which was not what we were expecting. We were not really anticipating for this move, but this is one of the reasons why your buyer should always be flexible. Just in case market decides to change its movement, it will be easier for you to actually, go ahead to change and predict. So if market decides to give you another movement, it will be easier for you to change with it. So market literally sold. Now today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Guys, Invest Social is a community where you can get to connect with traders, analysts, developers. It is also a community where you can actually share your own ideas, strategy, trade setup, market insights. It is also a community that has a section for Forex, stocks, commodities, and also indices. Whatever financial markets you trade or you are interested in, Invest Social has a section for every of this. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Starting with this movement right here, guys, when you take a look at this, your daily time frame, market is selling. So I believe there will still be a more sell. Now, pay attention to this. There was a first movement that market got to right here, which rejected and it dropped. Markets came back again to this same level again. Markets came back again to this same level, and guess what? Market is now dropping. So this movement is not of a surprise that market is dropping. Let's go down to the forward time frame right here. So we had to expect it to actually come to this level, which I will be expecting it to actually drop to, which is a level of 4,320. This is the level. This should be our next level on gold, a level of 4,320. But now, guys, pay attention to this, your 1 hour time frame. A pullback is likely to play out before one more drop again. So I believe there will be a pullback to a level of 4,355 before markets will eventually drop. So I would say this is our target, which is 4,320. Could there be changes to this movement? The possibility is still very much there. If there will be changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll cover the updates and let you guys to know. So make sure you visit investsocial.com to be part of the community.